Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Mysterious Universe. So the universe is a name that we use to describe the collection of all things that exist in space. So how much you know about it? Complete the facts to check. तो कितना आप यूनिवर्स के बारे में जानते हो उसके बारे में हम चेक करते हैं, राइट? सो फर्स्ट इज डैश इज द बिगेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द प्लैनेट ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. सबसे बड़ा प्लैनेट दैट इज जुपिटर. सो दिस इज जुपिटर. Second is dash has water and atmosphere and is perhaps the only planet which has conditions suitable for life. It has one moon. So life is possible only on Earth. So second is Earth. Next is dash is the hottest planet and it is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, that is Venus, right? So number 3, that is Venus. Number 4 is dash is closest to the sun. Sun के बिल्कुल close है and the planet is named after the messenger of the Roman god. So that is Mercury. Number 5 is dash was the first planet which was discovered with the telescope. जो telescope से सबसे पहले discover किया गया, that planet is Uranus. And next is dash is a red planet named after the Roman god of war, जिसको red planet भी कहते हैं. So this is Mars. Okay, come to the next. Next is dash is named after the Roman god of the sea and it has 8 satellites, that is Neptune. So the Uranus that rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. So number 8 is this one, anti-clockwise. Next is our solar system has a diameter of dash kilometer. तो कितना diameter है? That is of 1170 crore. So this is number 9. Come to number 10, that is dash is named after the Roman god of farming. It is the second largest planet after Jupiter. So this planet is known as Saturn. So number 10, that is Saturn. Number 11, it is believed that our solar system was formed dash years ago. How many years ago? 4600 million years ago. So this is number 11. Number 12, dash is not regarded as a planet anymore. अब इसको planet में consider नहीं किया जाता. It is now called a dwarf planet and it was once regarded as the planet farthest from the sun. So this is Pluto. So number 12, that is Pluto. Fact bang, this you have to know. The sun takes 225 years to travel round the galaxy. Sun जो है, it takes 225 years to travel round the galaxy. So बच्चे, this is the chapter. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको read करेंगे और exercise को अपनी book में खुद solve करेंगे.